Overlooking the rolling fairways of Lake Sherwood's Nicklaus-designed course, this Sidney Drasnin-designed estate is a compelling study in balancing monumental scale with livable warmth. Spanning approximately 10,800 square feet across 3 levels on nearly 3/4 of an acre, the residence is framed by the dramatic backdrop of the Santa Monica Mountains, offering an architectural experience that is both grand and deeply connected to its environment. Upon entering, the double-height foyer immediately establishes the home's spatial narrative. The formal living room and richly paneled library, each anchored by bespoke fireplaces, evoke classic Hollywood elegance, providing a quiet retreat for contemplation or perhaps hiding away to draft your next blueprint. Nearby, the culinary wing operates with high-efficiency precision, pairing a professional chef's kitchen with a separate prep kitchen and butler's pantry. The lifestyle here is quietly indulgent. 5 bedrooms include dual primary suites, ensuring your long-term guests might never actually find a reason to leave, a potential hazard of such comfortable design. These suites feature private terraces and spa-style baths, offering personal, light-filled sanctuaries within the larger structure. The lower level transitions from a quiet retreat to a subterranean playground. Here, the architectural program incorporates a dedicated screening room, billiards area, and a private sauna. A temperature-controlled 2,200-bottle wine cellar, ensuring your collection is housed as carefully as the residence. Outside, the architecture steps down to meet the landscape. A full-length terrace overlooks the iconic island green, integrating a pool, spa, and outdoor kitchen. It is an environment built for effortless transitions, where one can host a large-scale charity gala or simply watch golf balls inevitably find the water hazard from a comfortable lounge chair.